Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you a very simple but powerful block that can be used at most of the places in your website. And it is very necessary while you have lots of text or elements in your page, but you want to wrap it up with some show more or read more button, but you don't want a page load. So in that regard, this tool can be very helpful because it doesn't page load during showing the hidden portions. Well, maybe I forgot the name of the block. This is expand block from Ultimate Block. Let's see how we can use this block completely free, and let's see how it works for us. So quickly go to WordPress dashboard, and from here just go to plugin and go to add plugin, and from here search for Ultimate Blocks. See, here's the Ultimate Blocks, and here is it. This is Ultimate Blocks plugin. I already installed it, so I don't need it to install. You can install and activate it from here, and then we can go. So from here, let's quickly jump into Expand Block. So to make this video short and save some of your precious time, I have created this layout of the text, and see, there are 4 paragraphs in this little writing. So I want to show first paragraph and I want to hide 3 of other paragraph within a read more button. So let's see how we can do it. First, type slash or click on plus to search the block. Search expand block, see the red color expand block and click on it. Okay, so this is very self-explanatory. There are 2 major portion. First one is you can add plus button and add paragraph. So you can add paragraph now. Now let's see paragraph. So let's copy it. And so see, through this plus sign, it is showing us that this is the visible portion. So paste it here. Okay, and next up, what do we want to hide? Let's copy it from upper portion and let's copy and then come here and just click on add block and then add a paragraph and then paste it here. Okay, and see, this is added here. So that's it. Just click outside and see, it will work in here in the editor real time. So just to avoid confusion, we can delete the first portion. Yeah. Here also you can change the name of the button, like I want to make it read more, and then so accordingly I want to say read less. Okay, so you can imagine how easy is this plugin to use. So now let's see some more interesting thing, like click on expand block and see right hand side you can go to styles. And now it is default. I mean, it is kind of link. You can transform these into button. So see, here's the button. And if you are a pro user, then you'd get button color customization, button background, button border radius and things. So if you think you want to customize this expand button according to your website's look, then you can consider the pro option. So let's see how it looks in preview. So here it is, very neat and clean, and not just the writing, you can add images and things here. Maybe I'll show it in a later video next. So that's all for today. If you think this video is helpful, please subscribe our channel and let's explore WordPress together. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.